Mic test 3 to 1. Day 96. Day 96? 95. I think it's 96. Yeah. Day 96, backtesting until I'm profitable. Let's get to it. I was a bit caught up in some other stuff, so this gotta come in late. Yeah, you gotta forgive me for that. Anyways, let's just get started. You can see that I am on a 100-day streak. Never thought I'd do that too. Let's go. Next goal is 200. Now 200 2024 city futures model. Let us go. Anything to do. Right, let's start on the daily. Right, we're pushing higher and higher. On the daily, we're looking very, very bullish. Alright, now let's zoom this in here. Make me more like Jesus. Okay, so we haven't taken out the high yet on ES, which means we might actually push higher. We have a gap inside here. It's a new day open gap from yesterday. We dropped into it, and I think maybe we might actually continue higher. So in the morning, 9:32, as you can see, and here we dropped a little bit into this fair value gap. Now let's go to the 4 hour. Everything on your desire. Now it's just freedom. Holy Spirit, make me more like Jesus. Every day. I have this SMT. Okay, which means I might drop and take out some liquidity before pushing higher. Now going down to the 1 hour image. You can see we took out this low here. This one right here, and we have this one here as well. Sorry. Praise be to God, praise be to God. He saved me from myself. Dropped into this new day open gap, and I think this order block might hold price. This 1 hour order block. Let's mark it. I go to the 30-minute. Now 30-minute, you can see we're starting to reject a bit. And yeah, 15. Kind of the same thing. 5 now. Like to see some inversions get put in. So far we've dropped. We didn't have any crazy sweep except from this one right here. Don't get any kind of manipulation here. Ooh, I think we got one. No, it's not an SMT though. I thought this was like some kind of SMT, but you can see that this low kind of pierced below a bit. Praise be to God, praise be to God. You can see here we've created our first inversion. By the way, where's the first present fair value gap? Haven't created one yet. Alright, so I don't know if I'm the only one seeing it, but we have an inversion here. Even on the 1 minute. Holy Spirit, make me more like Jesus. Every day a little more like. Crucify my flesh with you. Make me life my peace. So this fair value gap here, we run through it, come back here, and you can see here we also have a nice change in state at 9:32. Image. Okay, you can see that we're really rejecting, and take longs. I'll stop there. I might take profit right there. And maybe the macro might give us a good take profit. Make it a full 2R. Image. Make me mine. crazy losing streaks. Oh, come on, man. And look how it goes directly to the target. So this was some kind of OTE, I don't know. Let's see. So look from here. Here is optimal trade entry. Presbyteruga, Presbyteruga, he saved me from my soul. Presbyteruga, Presbyteruga, I knew life, I've been there, and never look back. Okay, looks like the market's not in our favor at all. Let's see what happened in the macro. So at 9:50 here, we pushed. The macro is from to 10:10 right here. This is what happened during the macro. Okay. And we've created another inversion here. Number 15. I don't know if we'll retrace back into it, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, we also have another SMT here. We've taken out, did we take out London lows? Yep, we absolutely did, but we have London highs resting here. And maybe market might be targeting them, but we can see that ES took them out. And after taking them out, that means we might actually continue lower. And we have an SMT. Let's see what happens here. We've got a change in state. And a good retracement into this fair value gap. Gap gets respected. Okay, so we have now SMT here. We got the sorry. We've got the sweep here. Holy Spirit, make me more like Jesus. More like Jesus. This one's an SMT. Come on, what's wrong with me today? Okay. I have a series of up close candles. We create a change in state right here. So let's take read this. You can see we have a gap here as well. I like to sell it short. Stop loss about there. Take profit relatively close right here. Let's see. Let me just take the trade. Let's see for myself. Okay, we've got some crazy wicks and a stop out. This gap here that we were looking at creates an inversion. And here, yeah, whatever. We're done for. We're still in the morning session. SMT here, and yeah, from this low, sorry, from this low here, there's an SMT. It's not an SMT. Yeah, I was looking. I don't know how I was looking at this. Anyways, let's continue. Get a sweep of the lows and burst this small gap. But then when the first presented fair value gap, where was it at? 930. Where's 9? Ooh, very big gap here. Very good entry there. 945. Okay, 933. This 933 gap is really small. I don't know. I can maybe consider this one at least. With the first presented fair value gap. So you can see push above, close above it, retrace back into it, and the volume imbalance. Macro, boom, pushes higher, takes out this high. Yeah, very nice start to the day. Just go to the next day now. Alright. Next day, let's go to 2 hour. Extremely bullish. Yep, very bullish. Some moves, these are some T's. So what's happening here? These. I see that we're really bullish. Here we take out this low and then reverse very highly. Get a small retracement. Did we hit midpoint there? I don't really know if we did. Yeah, a few ticks to the midpoint. So now down to 4 hour. We're in this fair value gap. Look at the candle closes. Look at the candle closes, please. You can see that they all closed inside the gap. These wicks did the damage. So I'm really bullish on this one. Yeah, I'm bullish. Now down to the 1 hour. So before you go, I'd like to mark this 4 hour fair value gap low. And to the 1 hour. So it's looking like here. Oh, 45 minutes. Nothing big. 30 minutes. This other block held price. Pushed higher. Created some sort of balanced price range. Good fair value gap retracing to it. Now the 15. Very good fair value gap retracement. I think we reached 50% of the gap. Very nice. So I'm honestly looking for high prices until market proves me otherwise. But we have some crazy SMT here. So we'll see what happens. We'll see for la using. Okay. This SMT is still holding. and we take out the slow here. Okay, we are waiting and waiting. My price is really choppy. Really don't know why. Right. Well, I think this is the first presented favorite gap, this one here. Okay. Shift there. With action to the first presented favorite gap. 50. Is this 50 of the week? Let's see here. Nope, not yet. But I still think we're gonna reject this first presented. Let's see. Market is not even dropping fully into it as I want. And the rejections are really looking nice. Alright, here I think we can enter. Stop right there. My TP. Do you have any row there? Or I'll just have to stick for whatever the market will provide, like a 2.2 or 2.3, I don't know. And we can keep TP open just in case. This is the first present favorably gap reaction. We're having losses after losses, I don't know. What was this? What was this? Let's look for context in 1 hour. So, oh, yeah, we had this kind of SMT, so why should we expect a drop? Alright, no worries. On the 15, we created this inversion. By the way, why did I remove the first printed family gap? Okay, maybe let's get a retracement into this retracement into the inversion. How's the 15? Okay, retracement into the inversion. Let's see here. Retracement back to the first presented. I don't know if we should sell this. Let's see. So we're here now. Still thinking it's gonna drop. I would like to take a sell here. My stop loss above there. My target maybe at least midpoint of the week or even the low. The reason is because we can see that here I have an inversion, the changing state and full retracement back here. So let's see what happens. Very nice. Very nice. 4R. Anyways, I don't know. I think I would like to have a template, a Notion template that I would put use the statistically the wins, losses, and so. Anyways, yeah. I think that will be. This trade was really clean. Really clean. And it even dropped right here. So your partials right here. Then let it run until 529. And we end up taking out this. And I think we have another SMT here. Whoop, 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 whoop. We've got a change in state here. Retracement into the other block. We're gonna fly. Push back right into the first presented family gap again. Here. We have another SMT here. I don't know, let's see. Oh, come on. Alright. We didn't get any retracement to the change in state though. You can see it close here. But we have an inversion here. Yeah. We had an inversion. Here. Sweep. Changing state inversion. Oh. What kind of move is this? This is like a spearman. Look at this. Tanked into the 4-hour fair value gap low. This 30-minute fair value gap. In 1 hour, I don't think we have any gap, do we? Huh, we do. Some kind of balanced price range. SMT, so we gotta drop. Okay. What was this? Okay, now it's gonna go higher. We've created an inversion, pierce back into it, and again, let's see if it reacts. Afternoon session. Yeah, it fails. How's the 5-minute? Yeah. Okay, pretty much. Let's see what happens in the last hour of trading then. Put a block here. I've created an inversion on a block. We're in the last hour of trading. Ooh. And break through the block. You can see how crazy the last hour of trading is. Whatever. Next day, let's go to the daily and do some analysis. How's the weekly looking? Let's have some profile. Very bullish, very bullish. Okay, create a big gap here. So we've got this from here to here. I think we might be tracing to it during the day. I don't know, 4 hour. So it closed here, we opened there. Yeah. So we have this new day open gap. Unfortunate. New day open gap low. And then new day open gap high. Okay, so now down to the 1 hour. How's it looking like? Okay. POS. Looks like we're gonna fly. We're gonna continue higher. If reject, we might be targeting there. 4 hour. I mean the 45 minute, nothing big. 30 minute. 15. Series of up close candles. Very ridiculous way. And down to 5. I've got these sort of blocks that might hold price. And let's just go to the one directly. See what the market is cooking. What is this? Okay, yeah, first presented from the gap from here to here. Very big one, very big gap, and it takes out this low, this one, and wait a minute, yes, did take out those lows. And we didn't take them out on NQ, so we have this SMT. And those lows that yes took out were London lows. I was about to say London highs, but look at what happened to London highs. So my target at least to rebalance this move. Yeah, we have this SMT. Now going down to 1 hour. It will be hard to frame an entry here because we have this huge gap, which would imply a huge stop loss. Maybe another manipulation leg would help. what's happening with ES? Oh god. Okay, now I think the SMT is no longer valid because go on the 5 when we had maxed the SMT. Yeah, it's no longer valid. It's no longer a valid thing, and here I have a very big gap. Yikes. So do we have any other blocks here? None. But it looks like we're driving towards the that new gap open. So I think the first entries should be here. First presented fair value gap. Let's read and here. Stop loss above, there maybe. And your target, new day open gap. That will take some minutes. Let's see if it hits it. Yeah, it does. And how long does it take? It's a 3.5 hour. And it takes 18 minutes. Fascinating. That's not. Wait a minute. Okay. I understand it now. Okay, very nice fair value gap. Very nice inversion. What kind of price is this? Okay. Yay, very nice push. Put in another block there. We have a block. Let's see if the higher prices continue. My god, this is bearish, and we get what we call a retracement, and we drop this constant encroachment of the new day open gap. So the new day open gaps act as draw of liquidity. I feel mad. Whatever. We've created an inversion right here after hitting our draw, and have we retraced to it? Yes, we did, and we flew. I think we're gonna go high, because look at this. Look at this inversion. Yeah, we didn't tap into it, did we? Nope, we did not. But yeah, we're gonna fly. Don't worry. Boom. Take out this high. So another entry here. So how many entries have this day provided so far? Just the morning session. One. Right there. It drops. Consolidates, pushes higher, drops, pushes higher. And in this push, it drops once again. And we have another gap that you can enter off of here. This gap, you can see, it was respected right here. And later it turned into an inversion, pushed back into it, and then dropped another possible entry, and this will be a draw. Now on the other trade, I don't know if this is a validity, but you can enter off of this fair value gap, but that means by considering this as a balanced price range, that means there's a three entries so far. Pushes higher. Let's see. Right. Not really bad. It's not bad. Okay. Stop run. Very cute. Okay. Come on, NQ. We're so done with you. What's this? So I'm in drawdown of 14k. You can see right here. And that's a result of some stupid trades, some good trades, some dumb trades. How's the 5? Okay, not bad. Let's see what happens PM session. Whoa, look at that large drop. Yay. Haha, this is not friendly. Okay. So I have this gap that forms before the PM session open. Let's see. Looks like it's getting respected. Yeah, it doesn't, and we get our first presented family gap for the afternoon session here. Let's see. Whoa, why did it go without us? 5 minutes. It's created another gap here, and we'd like to look for more draws and liquidity, with that being this low there. And do we have any other low there? None. So this low is also near, so we can just take it and move on. Now this gap, you can see how greatly it's being respected. And sorry, right target there. So this is like a trade-off of the first presented family gap. I don't know, should I mark this or this? But this was the first presented, no need to change the logic. Yay, TP, TP, yay. Boom. And what's this? 3R. How long? So we've got so far almost 4 trades a day in this day. And here, 38 minutes. Okay, so looks like PM session was doing really nice. Let's see what the last hour does today. Boom. Ba-da-dum, bum, bum. Dun, dun, do. Ho. Last hour doesn't do anything big. Just we've already taken down this low here and this one, and we were all SMT. My friend, my brother, we're about to fly again. Now imagine if I'm this crazy when I'm not on drugs. I've never did drugs. Imagine if I had done them, I would be more crazy. So SMT. Don't mind this. Don't mind the craziness. It's TGR inspired. Okay. Ooh, SMT is still holding. We're flying. So should I repeat the analysis? No need. By the looks of it, sorry. Okay. Now on here. So let's do this. We have a very nice SMT ski here. Yeah. Check out this low here. Here we didn't, so we can fly. We might fly per hour. I would like to see this being inverted. This one is right there. So 1 hour. Where are the London lows? Oh, today or Friday. We might not respect the. Let's see how the weekly is looking like. Yeah, looks like we're about to have a reversal though. Look at how this day is looking. Look at this. Let's see what the open says. Creates an SMT again, not an SMT, and we have the first presented fair value gap here. Fair value gap. Ooh, we get around above it, and we drop into it again with such a crazy wick. It doesn't get respected at any point. We're just running through it. However we want. Anyways, I'm not seeing any kind of entry here. I'm bullish because of this SMT. I'm thinking we might target these highs here, or at least rebalance this whole move. And this is also not a target. It's about 5. We're respecting this gap here down to the 1. Yeah, the 1 minute's kind of lame and dirty. I don't know what to call it. Ho. Took up the slows now. Is this as crazy? What was this? What was this? We ran over this low, first created an inversion, back into the inversion, and what is this? Not a pretty good day to trade. Okay. Order block. Baby, this is an order block. This is an order block, and we're gonna respect it. Have an inversion. Order block. This is not a block. Order block. Yay. So an entry here. It's also under the first one of the block. Target there. What's this target? Yeah. One of those highs. 3 are crazy. Oh, very nice. Very nice retracement. Very nice. And we have another draw here. This one there. Let's see if we can see it. La. Line share is about to kick in. Okay, we've got a nice sweep. Whatever. Yeah. Swept out the low. We're in this fair value gap from the 5 minute. Got the sweep. Run this inversion. Oh, balance price range actually. Retracement. Oh, yeah, the problem is that if I take this trade, 100% it might not hit TP. I don't like to full port this. Let's see. What are the odds that it hits TP? I don't know. We'll check. And I can lie. Okay. Oh, come on. Is this really worth dancing around? Do I look like I'm playing to you, man? Goodbye. Huh? Goodbye. Why? Yikes, line show screwed us over. I'm gonna screw you over and you lose you over. Yeah. Oh, accepté. And you're gonna huh? I'm gonna screw you over. You're gonna lose your money. Okay. So we're dancing around, not doing anything solid. But I think we're gonna end up I was about to say we're gonna end up hitting the target. But looks like this thing had other plans. Let's go to 15 a bit. Alright, now when you zoom in, yeah, we're in this gap here. As I get around, boom, take out the slow. Yeah, close this up longer, but I can see that it might end up going higher. You never know. Because know your son, because know your family, because know your friend. It's a battle. Let's see. I feel wasted, man. And I wish I could get all the time I could to put it onto trading, because I really don't want to go to work tomorrow. I really don't want to. It's just for the purpose of capital. Yep, that's how I feel. I don't want to go to work just for the purpose of getting capital. Other than that, I don't really feel that in myself. Fair value gap. Not every fair value gap is gonna be respected, but yeah, some kind of balance price right there. Let's see what happens in the last hour. We're in the last hour. We might reverse. And I can love you in the door. What kind of consolidation is this? In the dark. Crazy. Ciao, lads. I'm gonna end this session here. New day's about to start. Wednesday. You can see we're 15 seconds to the new day. Yeah. We'll see if we can stack some wins tomorrow. I don't know.